Hello there. I am just going to talk a little about the installation of a door seal kit. This one being from RPM Tesla, no affiliation. I do like the idea of this, even if it doesn't stop noise, and I'm hoping it will a little. The fact that it would probably stop ingress of some of the dirt that you can see here. I'm not thrilled about cleaning cars, and if there's just a little less dirt coming in, I don't mind that at all. One thing I did notice in looking at the install and looking at the seal was that there are a couple of drain holes in the bottom of the door. And while not a lot of people are going to be driving with their windows down, there are occasions when we might get a little bit of water get in the door. So what I have done is I have looked at the Tesla, RPM Tesla, and figured that there is an opening on the bottom here, which you may not be able to see unless I shine a light on it. So if any water were to get in there, it would very likely drain out. It is a hollow tube. So what I did was measured along how far the drain hole was going to be, and then I just cut a small hole, and it doesn't go into the sides, so I don't believe it'll affect it structurally. I don't believe it'll affect the adhesion. And then for the second one, I did one here. This also has a hole on the end, which will probably be trimmed off about here anyway, as they make them long enough that you can trim them as needed. So anyway, nice and short and sweet. There's probably 100 videos on how to install these, so I'm just not going to bother, but just my thoughts on the matter. Another quick look at a 2-month-old car that has been driven in the rain. I think you can see that there is some dirt inside here, and maybe I'll put a follow-up video checking on how much less dirt gets in, because I really don't want to clean it. Yeah, I will if I have to. Brand new car, want to be nice. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a good day.